Hi, Brady. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say apple? Can you say apple?
Apple.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say nana?
Nana. Mama.
Nana and mama. Brady, what does a cow say?
Moo.
What does an owl say?
Mm.
What does a horse say? What does a kitty cat say? No. Meow. What does a doggy say? Yes. What does a lion say? What does a monkey say? What does a duck say? You're smart. You're so smart. Can you say no, no?
No. Oh.
Can you say yes?
Yes.
Look at Mommy. Brady. What are you doing? Can you say Daisy? Can you say Daisy? You're silly. Can you say up?
Up.
Can you say down? Yeah, can you get down? Show us how you get down.
No.
Get down. Boom. Don't do it again. Did you bump your head? Did you get bumpy? Don't do it again. Say bye-bye.